Welcome coders. Today we will discuss about the JavaScript set date methods. Okay, so this is very useful. I will give you the explanation of W3 school what are given, and along with that I will provide you some practical use cases. So stay tuned, stay connected. It will be a wonderful journey. So JavaScript date methods. Set date methods let you set update values, year, months, hours, minutes, second, milliseconds for date object. So set date methods are used for setting a part of the date. Set date sets the day as a number 130 1 to 31. Set full year, set hours 0 to 23 millisecond on 1000 0 to like that. Okay, so almost get methods. So set full year, let's see, set full year, it's 2020. So instead of 25 it will be 2020. So if I change it, say I'm giving it 26, it will be 26. You see, it will be 26, and here hours, minutes and seconds are 0 in the midnight by default, as these things are not provided. Okay, this set full year method can optionally set month and day, so you can provide the month. So I am giving a an clue or a exam that if I provide here 12, what will happen? Can you guess? If I provide 12 here, so write down the answer and match it afterwards so that your understanding will be clear. So if it is 12, then it's overlapping. Okay, so it will be 11 means yesterday I have shown you 11 means December, so 12 means January, in the next year January. Okay, so 12 means next year January. So if it is 12, then it will be 21 January 3. Let's see, 21 January 3. Okay, and no hours, minutes, times are provided, so it's 0, and it's my time zone, Bangladesh Standard Time. Your time zone may differ. Okay, so according to your time zone you will get the output. So can you understand? So it is up to 11. So 0 means January, 1 February, 2 March, 3 April, 5 like that. Okay, so 11 means December, 12 means January. So if you provide 13, it will be February. You see, February. Okay, set full year optionally I have shown you. Set month method. Set month method sets the month of a date object 01. So set month. Okay, set month 11. Okay, so set month 11 means it's February, right? December. So 11 means December. It will set to December. Okay, so it's December. But if I provide 12, it will be January. It will be January. Okay. You need to remember this. This is very important, and this is very important. So set month and set month method 0 11. Okay, 0 to 11. Set date 1 to 31. Okay, you can set the date also. Say if you provide over here is 35, what will happen? Write down the answer below and match it afterwards so that it will give you a clear understanding. 35 means it's overlapping 1 month, so it will be January, and it's 31, so 1 to 31. Okay, let's see. So 31 means 35, I mean 4 days, overlapping 4 days, right? So we need to calculate 35 and it is 31, so 4 days overlapping. So 4 days it will be January, February, okay, February 2025. Let's see, February 4, because 4 days are overlapping. Where is my calculator? Okay, 4 days overlapping. 35 means 4 days. So you need to change the values and see what is happening. So that will give you a good understanding. Okay. So you have to remember that on to 31. And if it overlaps, you have to start from it will overlap the month. Set date method can also be used to add days to a date. So you can add 50 days extra. Okay. So if you get the result, say I want to show you console.log d and starting Coca. So it's 2025, 50 days. You have to, if you calculate, you will get it easily. Set date, get date plus 50. So first of all, you need to find out the get dates. So console log d dot get dates. Get date means 1. So set date 1 plus 51. So it will be 51. So 51 means it will overlap on month. I mean February. So January, February, right? And 20 February 19. So you have to calculate like that. So you have the 51. Calculate. So you have the 51, right? But minus 31 because months are 1 to 31. So you have the 20. So it's providing 90. 1 plus 51 minus 31. So it should be 20, but the VS Code is showing 19. I don't know why. So let's see in the browser console, and you see it's 20. It's because we are getting 1 over here. We're getting 1 and 1 plus 50, I mean 51. So it will overlap to the next month. This is January. January is 31, right? 31. Then it will be 51 into 31, 20. So it's 20 February, okay? And the day, hour, minutes, and seconds are midnight. And this is my time location. Okay, so set date method can also be used at days to date. Okay, so we can add the dates. If adding date shifts the month or year, the changes are handled automatically by the date object. So it needs to shift, I mean overlap. So what we have seen, it is shifting. It is shifting January to February. So they do it automatically. Set hours method. The set hours method sets the hour of a date 020. So set hour 22. Okay, so it's 22. If I don't provide 22, it will be default 0 midnight. Set, oh, I need to set something, say 1. So it is 1. Okay, January 1. And can you remember, we can provide this like that, or this is case insensitive. Okay, everything is same. Okay, set hours method can also be used to set minutes and seconds. So you can set minutes and seconds. So 22. So set hours 22 10 20. You see, 22, 10, 20. The rest of the things are same. January 1, 2025, 22, 10, 20. 22, 10, 20 GMT. Okay, you can set hours method concept to set minutes and seconds. Okay, the set minutes method. Set minutes method sets the minutes of a date object 0 to 60 minutes. Okay, 0 to 59. Okay, set minutes method sets the date 0 to 59. Set minutes 30. So minutes, this is minutes 30. Okay, like that. Okay. Set seconds method. Set second method sets the second of the date 0 to 59. Maybe we have seen this 30. This is 30. Okay. So hours are 0 as we are not providing the hours. Okay. This method sets the seconds to 0 to 59. Set minutes, set seconds, set seconds. So this is differentiating. Set minutes, set seconds, set hours. Okay, if you just provide only set hours, sorry. So it is 22 set hours. Okay. So that is differentiating. Set hours, set minutes, set seconds. Okay, now discuss about the compare dates. So dates can easily be compared. The following example compares today date with January 14, 2000. Okay, 2100. Okay. So what will be the output? Let's see. The output is today is before January 14, 2100. Definitely because okay, I'm showing you. Let's see. So I am console logging log text. Today is before January 14. Someday is greater. So I'm showing you by every step. So console log today. Console.log someday. So both are same because it's outputting today's date. So when we add set full year, if I console.log someday is becoming 2100. Okay. Okay, so what is happening actually? So 21 and our current date is 2025. So which one is larger? So 21 is larger. Okay. So as someday is larger, greater than today, so it will we will get this output, and that is happening. Today is before. So I hope that makes sense. This is very easy. So JavaScript count months from 0 to 11, January 0, December. We know already. I have shown you several times. So this is our representation. So complete date reference. So we have the date reference. Okay. So I hope that makes sense. Now I will show you some practical examples. Say where practically it is being used. Okay, so we have a meeting. Okay, meeting equal to new date. New date means this is the current date. Okay, if you console log, you will get the current date. Okay, so if meeting dot set hours, we are setting hours, meeting dot get hours, plus 3. Okay, meeting, there is a typo. Okay, now if I console log the meeting, console.log meeting, so it's 3 hours after. Okay, so now right now, so I'm first of all I'm seeing the current time and date. Okay, console.log meeting. So you see, so it is 13:51 11 seconds. 13 hours is 13:51 minutes and 11 seconds. But our meeting will 16 hours. Okay, you see the 16 hours and T is the separator, 51. So after 3 hours there will be meeting, and date, time, year, everything is same. Okay, so this is our first example. I'm commenting it. Let's go for second practical example. So adjust expiry dates. Let expiry equal to new date. So this is today's date. Okay, so expiry equal to set date expiry dot get date. So after 1 month it will expire. So 30. Okay, 30 days it will expire. It will expire. It will expire after 1 month. Okay, console.log expiry. So you can see today's date, console.log expiry. So today's date is 25. You see this is February, but our expiry date is March. Okay, the same date and same March. So by this way we can set our expiry date on months after. Okay. Okay, so you can have a lot of practical examples, but no more today. So this is very handy in JavaScript. So if you wanna be a seasoned coder, you have to have the basic understanding of JavaScript. So definitely it will be a wonderful journey. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned. I will cover everything for landing a job also. Thank you very much. See you soon.